my goodness.
Run, run, run!
Ah! Ah! It's the intro clip.
A little bit more.
You're almost there. It's going great. Wow. A piece of wood.
Hell yeah.
Pretty good square. Pretty good hat. Oh my goodness.
Run, run, run!
Ah! Ah! It's the intro clip. Inside the kubo, we got a fire pit.
Oh, one more.
Inside the kubo, we've got a fire pit and a fishy fish.
Truly.
Yeah, wifey makes everything. I just film it.
Talakito. What's that fish? Cavalia?
Trevally.
Trevally?
Yeah.
Look at that. Whoa.
It's a good looking fella. I'm gonna eat his eye.
Yeah?
No. I'll save it for somebody who likes it.
Okay.
Alright.
It's good for eating.
Wait.
We gotta get rid of this.
Skin.
Oh, we can't let our dogs eat this. They're gonna have scabies. Scabies. It's not good for their skin.
Yeah.
Okay. That's it. Whoa, look at that. It's so big.
That's meat.
Whoa. Close look.
Ooh.
So good, right?
Meat. Okay, we teleported the fish onto the table.
You don't want to know how I managed to do that.
Magic.
Rice.
And rice is magic too. Oh, I almost missed that. Oh,
That's a good one.
leche flan.
Let's check it out.
It's a giant evil fish.
Honey, go check how he did that.
Oh yeah.
Balik dapat si namin magluto ng kanin. May mood dapat si nanay. Ha? Nay is si Lola. Oh.
Wait.
Yan na. Bobby, go wash your hand. Hugas ng kamay. Jerry, may ikaw mag-ano ng langaw. Saan yung baso natin? Jerry, may abot mo nga yung baso na kung ako ng tubig dito kay Ading.
I wash my hands with the water.
Oh yeah.
Ay, baso na tayo sa yelo?
Ha, hindi na mag-yelo. Kayo, kung gusto niyo mag-yelo. Hindi kami nag-yelo. Ay, may
Kasi di po naman baso yelo. Ayun yan. Oo.
gagi. Wanna wash your hands, Jeremy?
Huh?
Wanna wash your hands?
Are you washing your hands?
Hindi ganyan.
Yeah, wait.
Wait.
Dali, kunin mo ito.
Oh, sino pa maghugas ng kamay? Wako. Wako.
Yung walang naman.
Wako.
Ay no, yung basyo.
Hugas ka ng kamay. Tarik, you wanna wash your hand? Put your hand in there. Put your hand in there.
I'm gonna drink it.
He wants to drink it. No. I said wash your hand. How about you, Daddy? There you go.
You gotta wash my strong hand.
Yeah. This is strong hand. Tara, gusto. Wala na ako na.
Oh, yum yum.
Banana.
You like that?
Ay. Sa akin na
Baby
naman.
boy.
Sige na, nakateksto ka na ng salita. Sa'yo na yung mata.
Oy. Oy, baby boy.
Sinita mo, Chris.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What is that? What is that?
So,
What did you find?
I found my new puppy.
Wow.
Bago siya yan.
That's a big puppy. How old are you, puppy? 6 months?
Her name is Bendy.
That's Bindi, yes.
She's a baby puppy.
Parang introvert.
I love my dog. Her name is Her name is Bendy. She's too heavy.
Oh, you just drop her like that. That's Bindi. There's Runt on the right and Jumbo on the left. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He's a good dog. He's a good dog. You're a good dog, right? He's so cute. Little dot on your head, huh? Yeah. They're looking skinny. We'll fix them up. Yo.
She's licking my tongue.
He's a sweet dog.
She's licking my hand.
Yeah, it's a sweet dog.
I will take care of her.
Okay, pick up her poop.
I don't want to.
Oh, that's part of taking care of them now. If you want to take care of them, you have to pick up their poop.
I need my gloves.
Put your hand in that plastic bag and pick up the poop. That's how we used to do it. Back in the day. Back in the day. Look at all this going on.
Can I give them some food?
Nope. They ate already. Fish. Fresh fish.
May kalamansi na to?
I wash my hands.
Doon, dulo.
Oh, it's looking so good.
Huh?
Oh, it's looking so nice.
I just left
Stop playing. O dun sa kabila. I-ano natin, iurong natin konti para sa gitna. Yeah. Mukbang 101.
Buy a trevally, cook
With
it on a
sunog na
fire.
kanin.
Sinog.
Special guest. Sunog na kanin.
Sunog.
And then I'm gonna use my hand like this.
Yeah, show them how you do.
Jeremy.
Huh?
Like this. You grab some meat.
Meat,
Then you dip it in the soy sauce.
dip,
Then you grab some rice.
Rice.
Put on top of the rice. And then you do like that. Then,
mmm.
Mm.
Don't miss that one, yeah.
Jeremy, putulan
The
mo.
fish will cry.
gotta put the camera
Dito,
on
dito,
you.
dito.
Kita?
Ganun mo pa.
Oh, on me?
Yeah.
Oh, God, so good.
Saan na tayo?
I love it.
Wala ka ng kalamansi?